Solving the Cash App payment failed is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Before proceeding to solve the problem of Cash App payment failure, let's talk about the reasons as to why this failure happens. This may happen due to insufficient funds, incorrect card information, network connectivity issues, and some other reasons. So our main concern is how to solve it. Today I'm going to give you the top 6 solutions to this failure. First step is to check your account balance. Doing so is compulsory so that you can cross-check whether your bank account has that much funds or not. Second step is to verify card details. Even a small error in doing so can lead to Cash App payment failed. Now let's see the third step. This is review your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection over Wi-Fi. So if the problem persists, you can switch to any other similar network so that you may not face the same issue any longer. Fourth step is to update the Cash App. If there is a pending update of Cash App, it may lead to errors and glitches, so you must have the latest updated version of the app. Fifth solution is to complete verification. This can be done from the settings menu. After following the above-mentioned steps, if the problem persists, you may go to the sixth step, that is, contact Cash App customer service number. By doing this, you will get a spontaneous solution to your problem, and that's it.